When turning, use the A-pillar. When exiting a parking spot, use the A-pillar. Even when passing another car, rely on the A-pillar. This reference point is very useful, but many beginners don't know how to use it, which often leads to scratches. Learn this carefully, it will help you a lot. When turning and there's a car ahead so you can't pass in one move, pay attention while reversing. When the A-pillar angle lines up with the center of the front car's tire, you can turn the steering wheel fully left or right, and the front of your car won't scrape. When parking with a wall in front, reverse until you can see the bottom of the wall through the A-pillar angle. Then turn the wheel fully. The front of your car will still have a safe distance from the wall, allowing you to turn safely. When driving forward out of a parking spot, if the car door can still be fully open and the A-pillar angle has passed the front of the adjacent car, around the side mirror position, you can turn the wheel at any angle without scraping the body and exit safely. When reversing out and worried about scratching, make sure the A-pillar angle has passed the front or rear of the adjacent car before turning the wheel. This prevents the front of your car from hitting it. When exiting parallel parking, look at the right A-pillar angle. If the car in front is a sedan and the A-pillar angle is still below its taillight, it's safe to move out. If it's an SUV with higher taillights, make sure the A-pillar angle is about 10 centimeters below the taillight. This is still safe. The same method can be used when entering a parallel parking spot. When passing on the left, if you can still see the top edge of the other car's tire through the left A-pillar angle, there is still a safe distance to pass. Similarly, if on the right side the A-pillar angle stays below the other car's headlights or taillights, it is also safe to pass.